Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about include and exclude methods in TestNG. So before going to start about include and exclude methods in TestNG, so we have to understand first about how to generate a testng.xml config file. So already I explained this concept in a previous video. If anyone is not about that, you can go through the video and come back to our include and exclude methods. So first of all, let us understand about what is include and exclude methods in TestNG. What is the use of these include and exclude methods in TestNGs? So suppose when you work, if tomorrow if you're working as a QA engineer, so you're having number of test cases, you're having at least some 100 test cases or 200 test cases you are having like this, right? So if you want to execute a particular test cases in a class, okay, if you want to execute the particular test cases or particular methods in a class, you can use the include methods. Or if you don't want to execute the particular test case, then you can use the exclude methods. So overall, what is the main purpose of these include and exclude methods is assume that, listen guys, assume that if you're having some 50 test cases in a class, right? So you need to execute only the particular test case in the class. You need to execute only the particular one test case in the class. You don't want to another 49 test cases. So at the time, what you do is you will use here include method. Okay. So same like that. If you're having 50 test cases again, if you want to only if you don't want to execute that particular test case, and if you want to execute the rest of the test cases, there we will use an exclude methods. Okay. So this is very important, guys. Include and exclude method concept is very important in interview point of view. So listen carefully. So now let us see in a practical way. Now let's go for the Eclipse. So see guys, already we have a project that we discussed in the last video. The project name I told, right, my spice set. There I create a package called as bookings. In that package, we are having 4 classes like this. Okay, check-in, flight bookings, flight status, and hotel bookings. Right. So here let us see how to use include and exclude methods. So see guys, if suppose so we already know how to generate a testng.xml file. So this is our testng.xml file. Okay, see the hierarchy, guys. See the beauty of this testng.xml file. Okay, so your XML file should be in a good format. Okay, if it is in a good format way, you can understand very easily. Okay, so now see guys, so assume that we are having a classes. We are having here 4 classes, right? So in this package, we are having 4 classes. The 4 classes we have seen here in testng.xml file. So in these classes, we are having some particular methods, right? I mean, some test cases we are having, number of test cases we are having. So see now, go for a class called as flight bookings. So this is a flight booking class, right? So how many cases here I have totally? I have 4 cases here, right? I have 4 test cases here. So in this class, I need to execute only the second test case. In this class, I'm having 4 test cases overall, but I need to execute only the second one. I don't want the rest of 3. I don't want the first one, third one, and fourth one. I don't want. I need to execute only the second one. Okay. So in this way, what I will do here is I will use here include method. I'll use here include method. So let us see how we will do this is go for the testng.xml file. So for the flight booking, so this is a flight booking class, right? So go to the flight booking class. This is a flight booking class. Always you need to understand the hierarchy, guys. The hierarchy is main important here. So you can see always the class will be inside the open tags and end tags. Okay, always the tag class will be inside the open tag and end tag. So this we call as end tag. So first what we need to do here is we need to remove the end tag. We need to remove the end tag and we need to end with class. You need to take us end with class. Okay. So inside the class, what will be there for us? Inside the class, always we are having a methods. Inside the class, we are having a methods. So inside these methods, we are having the methods what we are talking now, right? So that is include and exclude methods. So for now, I am taking as include. Here I am taking as includes. Now, so which test case you need to execute? Which test case you need to execute in flight bookings class? So you need to copy that method name. Okay. So now go for the flight bookings. So I need to execute only this test case, guys. I need to execute only this test case. So just copy from here. Now go to the testng.xml file. I'll paste it here. Is it clear? Very simple, guys. So now let us save this program. Just go for run as TestNG suite. See guys, so let's go for the console. See, previously we are having 12 cases, now only 9 cases has been executed, right? Rest of the 3 has been removed. So here see, in these flight bookings, we are having, see guys, one way TC 001 like this, we are having different, I mean 001, 002, 3, 4 like this, right? So only one way TC underscore 002 will be executed. Rest of the things are not executed. Only this one will be executed. Okay, so that is the use of include method. That is the use of include method in TestNG. Now, so we are going to we discuss about include method, right? So now we will discuss about exclude method. So what is the use of exclude method is, if suppose we are having like this 4 cases in a class, but you need to execute 3 cases. We don't want only one case. If you don't want to execute that particular case, if you want to execute the rest of the cases, we will use exclude method here. So see, I am going to another class here, hotel bookings class. Hotel bookings class here, I am having three test cases. Sorry, here I am having 3 test cases. Okay, so I don't want to execute the second case or take a first one, or I don't want to execute the first case. So here I am taking the method name. I'm just copying this method name. I don't want to execute this first case. Okay, I need to execute the rest of the cases. So now go to the testng.xml file, hotel bookings, right? This is a hotel bookings class. So same guys. So here we need to remove the end tag, and here we need to end with class. So here class has started and here the class is ended. Inside the class, what we are having, I told you, right? Inside the class, we are having methods, right? Inside the class, we are having methods. Inside the methods, we are having the include and exclude things. Just we are talking now, right? So I am taking here exclude. I just paste that what I have copied there. I mean, what the method name I copied there, I just pasted here, right? So I just save this program, run as TestNG suite. Now let us look in the console. So see guys, previously I'm having 9 cases, now I am having only 8 cases, right? So my 8 cases are pass and nothing is failure and nothing is skip. Okay, so is it clear? So like this, we will use include and exclude methods in TestNG guys. This is very important concepts. Go through this concept number of times. It will be very useful for us and helpful for us. Okay, so thank you guys. We will meet in the next video.